Hey guys, it is me, Stace. I am back today with another Cricut video. We are also doing our Make It on Monday project, and we are also starting all month long our Christmas and July projects, and we are starting it off with this adorable little stocking. This is just super fun and very easy to make. Alright, let's go to the computer and we will get started. Alright, here we are at Design Space. I'm already logged in. You want to go where it says Cricut Access and then click on View All. In the upper right hand corner where it says Cricut Access, we're going to click on that and then go down and click on Christmas. And the project we're making today is this one here. It's the Personalized Christmas Stocking. Go ahead and click on that. This brings up a preview window. Very bottom, click on Customize. Now I chose not to personalize mine. You certainly can. Of course, you want to change the name. You would just double click where the name is and then add your own name there. But I'm going to delete that. I also chose to resize mine, make it smaller. If you go to the upper right hand corner and click on Make It, you will see the red piece, the stocking, does use a 12 by 12 piece of red cardstock. I do not have that, so I'm going to resize mine. So I'm going to go back to my mat here, take my mouse and make sure I hover across everything. Everything's inside that box. The very top where the size is, I left the lock locked, and I changed the height here to be 9.5, and I clicked on Enter, and that's my size. Upper right hand corner, click on Make It. So now we have the white piece here. The Merry Christmas here. Now my Cricut will not cut that, so I did choose to cut that piece out in regular vinyl. Then we have the stocking piece here that'll fit on an 8.5 by 11 piece of cardstock. I'm going to click on Continue, cut it out, go to the table, and we'll put the stocking together. Alright, we are back. Everything is cut out. I did go ahead and cut my lettering out in vinyl, so we can set that aside and work with the stocking itself first. Alright, we are going to first score on all the score marks. Just finger press them to get them started. Then we'll come back in with our bone folder and give that a really good crease. And then we have these little prongs here. I'm just going to bend them all forward. And then again, you want to take your bone folder and give it a good crease. I'm going to lay it down. This way it's upside down. I can just score them all at one shot. Do the same for this side. Okay, now we're going to start our gluing process. So it's pretty self-explanatory how it goes together. We're going to take this and it's going to go all the way up the stocking, and then we're going to close it off. So what I'm going to do is take these and just take my bone folder and just kind of start the curling process a little bit. Okay. And I'm going to do one side first. So I'm going to take my glue. I'm using Art Glitter Glue. I get this from May Made It. And we're going to put some glue on a few pieces, not a whole lot. You don't want to go all the way up. And take your finger on the inside and work this on the outside. And just start. You want to give that first one a moment to grab. Let that glue kind of dry a little bit. I wish in this case they would have made the tabs, these little triangles, a little bit deeper. So we're just going to work our way up. So I'm holding the tab on the inside and then also holding the outside. And if you don't get it perfectly lined up, you can always come in with some ink and ink your edges. That'll kind of hide any imperfections you might have. So the other one I made, the first one, I did do one side at a time. I think in this case I might do both sides. So I'm going to get just this one started here, letting that dry. Then come back and do this side. The second side's harder because you don't have as much finger room in there to be able to go in there and grab it. So I'm going to kind of line it up, hold it there, and take my fingers and go in there and hold it. As long as you can hold it to where it's going to grab and dry a little bit. So are you guys excited about Christmas in July? I am. Kind of gets us out of the funk, at least me out of the funk. I love Christmas. Okay, so we got those ones, I think, down pretty good. And we're just going to carry on. So I'm going to do these last 4 on this side. And you don't need a whole lot of glue. The more glue you use, the harder I think it is for it to dry. So just kind of work it in there, follow the shape. It's not going to be perfect, and I think I'm okay with that. Okay, and then one more right here at the very top on this side, and then we're done on that one. Like I said, this did cut out originally with 12 by 12 cardstock. I didn't have any red, so I thought, well, shorten it, make it be 8.5, but of course you have less workspace. Alright, so our last 4 on that side. I think the hardest part is getting your fingers in there. So I'm just taking a few of them. I have my thumb going against the side. Go in there with your pinky or something to grab it. Okay, and then let's bend it and get this one. There we go. So it does go, it's just finicky. Now what I'm going to do is take my bone folder and just go in there on the edges just to make sure everything is nice and down on both sides. Okay, so pretty simple, right? Now we're going to take glue on this little piece right here. Oh, wrong side, on the outside of it. That's going to go on the inside. I'm also going to put glue on that little flap on the inside. You'll see that. I'm going to just push it up against the part I just glued. Okay, and then we're going to do these 2 flaps here. Our bottom piece and the side. And again, I'm going to take my bone folder and just go along that flap that we just glued and also get the bottom. Okay, so our stocking is done. Now we need to glue the feet on and the heels. Oh, this should have went the other way. Then we have these guys. And again, if yours is all messy on the end where you put it together, go in there and ink it if you want to. That'll kind of disguise it a little bit. Okay, that one's done. Okay, and our other little piece. I seem to have misplaced the other piece. Wouldn't you know it? Alright, I'll come back to that. Alright, so now we have this piece. We're going to go ahead and score. Now if you want to here, you can use ribbon. But I'm going to use what they have here. So just take your arrow, fold it in half, but don't crease it. And take the arrow pieces and bring them in. That way it kind of locks in place there. And we're going to put glue all around here and then glue this on top. Now first I'm going to put glue behind that arrow to hold it in place. What do I do with that other little piece? I always lose stuff, don't I? I probably fell on the floor, so I can't see it anywhere. You're probably thinking, Stace, it's right there on your table. I can't see it. If it's here, it's now gone. All right. I'm gonna go and take glue all over this. And you want to start at the back with this piece. That when we bring it around, it'll hide this piece. Just take that, hold it down, bring it around to make sure you're even at the top of the stocking. Bring it around and then bring this one over, and that will hide your loop there. Okay, now we're going to take our greeting, and as I said, I did cut it out in vinyl. Oop. And I just lost part of my H. Let me see if I can grab that and fix it. I always tell you guys to go slow, and here I am cruising along, right? Okay, we're gonna make it work. Okay, let's try this way. Go slow. Okay. And now this doesn't really fit on this side. It has to go on this side. Okay, we're just gonna go inside. Just rub all that lettering, then peel it off when it's ready. Just putting my fingers in there and just rubbing it. Again, I'm laying the transfer tape flat. Okay, so there's that one missing a heel, and there's that one all together, but super cute, right? I absolutely love this project. All right, guys, any questions at all, please let me know. Like I said, it does hold a gift card. So if this is an average size gift card, it does go in there on an angle, but great gift to give to a coworker, a friend, a teacher, really anybody. All right, any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.